Good morning to everyone who is present over here on the prosperous occasion of Republic Day. Firstly, I would like to thank my teachers for giving me this honor. Republic Day is celebrated every year on the 26th of January, and this year India will celebrate its 73rd Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated to remember the historic moment when our nation became an independent republic country. As we all know that India got its independence on 15th August 1947 and the country didn't have its own constitution. Instead, India was governed by the laws implemented by the British. However, after many deliberations and amendments, a committee was headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar submitted a draft of the Indian Constitution, which was adopted on 26 November 1949 and officially came into effect on 26 January 1950. Ever since independence, the main celebration of Republic Day is held at the national capital, New Delhi, at the Rajpath, in the presence of President, Prime Minister, and other high rank officials of India. As a tribute to India, on Republic Day, ceremonial parades take place at the Rajpath. After the ceremonial parade, there is a presence of various dignitaries like the President, Prime Minister, and other higher government officials at the Rajpath. Every year, as part of celebrations, India has been hosting guests of honor that could be the head of the state or government of other countries for Republic Day celebration at the capital. The flag hoisting ceremony takes place at the Rajpath, followed by a speech by the President and a parade. Republic Day March is considered to be an eye-catching element of the festival, and it showcases Indian cultural and social heritage. It also showcases the Indian defense capability. On this prestigious occasion, the heroes of our country, the soldiers, are not forgotten. The prestigious award will be given away to the martyrs and the heroes who have dedicated their lives to protect the country at any cost. Republic Day is celebrated in every school, college, and office with great enthusiasm and energy. In schools, various competitions are held which include dancing, singing, and giving a Republic Day speech. I want to end this speech by saying that India is a democratic country. The citizens living in a democratic country enjoy the privilege to elect their leader to lead the country. Although there has been a lot of improvement till now, also it can be said that we are facing a few problems such as pollution, poverty, unemployment, etc. One thing we all can do is to promise each other that we will become a better version of ourselves so that we could contribute to solving all these problems and making our nation a better place. Thank you all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Please subscribe to our channel.